In this video, you will be learning how to make a peace crane. This is Leila Torres of OrigamiSpirit.com. You need a square piece of paper about 6 by 6 inches or 15 by 15 centimeters. For the demonstration, I am using a larger piece of paper. If you have colored paper, start with the color side facing up. First, we will make a preliminary base. We are going to make a central fold connecting the corners. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Unfold, turn the paper over, position it like a square, and we're going to make the central fold. Unfold, rotate, repeat. Leave it folded, pick it up in the air by each side, press toward the center, and make sure that two flaps are on one side and two flaps are on the other. This is the open corner and this is the closed corner. We are going to rotate and position it so the closed corner is up. Bring this raw edge, double edge, to the center, and we're going to create a fold about here. I rotate it a little bit again. Same on this side. Making sure that it comes to a point. Turn it over and repeat. Now we're going to make a fold connecting this corner with this corner. It's a valley fold. And we fold to the back as well using the same fold. So this is called a universal fold when the fold is on to the back and to the front. Now we're going to rotate it to one side. I'm going to open these two flaps, and then we are going to place our hand just underneath the first layer. This is going to act as a hinge. We're going to press from left to right all the way. The edges should match the central line. We're going to turn it over and repeat. This is the bird base, and we orient it so that these two long legs are to our left for the moment. And we are going to be making a fold from this corner up to here, to this edge. To do that, we are going to bring this folded edge toward the center and align it at the center, but we are going to make sure to leave a hairline of a gap. This folded edge will be away from the center just by a hairline. That small gap will help us to fold later. So we are going to rotate and repeat here. Bring this edge toward the center, leaving the gap. Make sure to make a nice sharp point. Turn the paper over and repeat. Bring this edge to the center, rotate and repeat. we can see the gap there. These narrow flaps will be the head and the tail. So now we are going to bring our thumb underneath this upper layer and bring it over as if we're closing a book. Turn it over and again bring the top layer over. We can see this triangle forming here. We take this long flap and we are going to make a fold about here, pressing from underneath, and we press as far as it goes. We are going to turn it over and repeat that. We insert our fingers under the uppermost flaps and bring them together. Same with the back. The wider flaps will be the wings. The narrow flaps will be head and tail. So we'll gently separate these two wings. We are going to hold this long flap from the bottom and swing it. So we bring it out like so, and we can make it as low or high as we want. And I usually like to align this edge with a fold that we have there, just where that fold ends. Same on the other side. We can slide up our fingers down so that this is easy to maneuver. Bring it out and press flat. Now we make the head. It can be as big or as small as we want. Fold it over so that underneath here we can see a 90-degree angle, more or less. Unfold. Place your thumb underneath and with your index finger press the point down. We inside reverse fold. With the other hand then you can press flat the head. We can bring one wing down and use it flat on a greeting card. Or we can open the wings and pull so that the center inflates. Do you like what you find in this channel? Subscribe and receive notifications for new videos.